symbol X from anonymous, and you can see it in a screen. That is attack. Okay, victim of Windows normal. And what is the problem? The problem is that if you can see it, a flash USB. That is a problem. You can now try something. Both with my device. Yes. Just one moment. Let's go. Boot USB. If you can see it, there is something happen. I just need to wait a little moment. What you hear, that is the victim. And what will happen? A normal user for the Windows, what will happen? Will out USB, and you think no anything happen. Okay, because what happened? Just text have my name. Okay, and in reality you have bad coding or Trojan in USB. That's why the people in that moment have a different victim of how you can the hacking use hardware. You have hardware hacking, and if you wait a little till you watch something, I don't want just stay a minute time. Let's go. And what is this? This is my market. Okay, that is not USB. You will not take USB, but the coding and you have all details here because I have put here link, and this like duck USB, and that's video like test, like that's one, you can see it. just let me to tell you something very easy. And you make bypass to antivirus or decryption, and the antivirus don't can off that Trojan. That's what and you just need to learn about the cybersecurity or malware analysis to be know if have bad coding or not. On the other hand, you can be sure and you will put it that USB with your device, because sometimes the people go market and that's use, there is people use that, and I'm talking like that one lucky USB. This is hardware hacking, only what hacking, but I am make it the coding that's will run with a device like you know USB, a flash, normal, and will be like ducky USB. And just if you interested of something, about all details, my market, everything. But little that's later, let me just tell you something. Number one, you need to be sure what you will put it with your device. Number two, never go buy USB and we will use before. You need a new one and you need to be sure. And number three, you antivirus is not true in that protection. Not if you can see it now in a screen, you can bypass the antivirus. Just you need to learn how to be focused about everything. Or be careful. If you're interested, I will put here all details and link about my market. Another thing, if you interested about malware analysis, cybersecurity, penetration tester, or ethical hacking, I will put a link about my market. Sorry, my email with Telegram. Always my account, okay? And you can I have group and you can watch information I put every day, and also you can send messages if you're interested. And I'm not make that the video about the people watch like what to hack the people. No, about to be focused. If you now know what it is, you sure will be focused before to go use USB flash, because this is USB normal one. You can see it, And what happened? I use that now. I have with my hand USB, and the victim stay here. Okay, what I make that out? Why? Because I make a Trojan. Watch. Come, come. Anyway, because I make, about just to learn this program idiot that's about baby hacking. But that's a Trojan, okay? If you make bypass to antivirus and use that, will be very useful and be very good, to use data, data, the people, and this is bad. And I hope you have benefit if you get it what me I wanted to tell to you.